Tati videos. So we're part two of trying to make Dion ginger cat. Oh, that's just my cousin, by the way. The Andy 731. That's just my cousin. Okay, so okay, I'll just go finish the task and then we'll okay, I'll just go finish up the task. This is a task. Okay, so sorry, that's my cousin. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, let's go. What? I don't know what my cousin. Oh my god. Okay, the horse is going to beg me to join her car. I'm in video. Okay, this not even look fair. I'll just go accept this. Okay, she's following me. Okay, guys, I'll go to the private server. Okay, guys, I'm in the private server now, so my cousin won't annoy me. Okay. The weird things happened. This is a private server. And I'm all alone in this. I'm all alone. And so I now died. So let's hope nothing will happen, and I hope my other customers will be, because I don't feel comfortable in private servers alone. It wouldn't be that bad. Actually, it wouldn't be that bad. This game died. I'll just go to a different server. I like chaotic servers. I like chaos servers, so let's go to the cousin again. Okay. It's dark also in the server. Okay. Look how cute the ginger cat is. Look how cute is the ginger cat. Okay. Okay, ginger kitty. Kitty needs a bath. Okay. I will no longer have any altars now. I no longer have altars. I don't have to go to us. Just get everything that got to go to the ground now. Okay. Did you just got it taller? Did you just got taller? Okay, I'll just go do a shortcut. Time to do a shortcut. Okay, go to service trading server. Here's the service trading server. Here's the service trading server. Okay, we'll go bring it to the castle to us. Okay, wait, why won't this stop? The cat looks so clumsy. The cat looks grumpy. Sally coins making cut. Okay, you don't have any legendary. I still don't have a legendary. Going to the garden. I don't think you can afford this. I don't know what should God say the unicorn. Wow. Okay guys, this is the end of, I'll do make part 3 later. Bye.